So the process to turn off green dot on Instagram is quite easy and simple. So simply open up your Instagram account, and the process is same for Android as well as iPhone. So once you are here, tap on this profile icon at the right bottom corner. This would open up your profile. Now go and tap on three lines at the right top corner. This would open up settings and privacy. And once you're here, scroll down a bit. Under how others can interact with you, the first option is messages and story replies. Tap on messages and story replies. Inside here, under the second, you can see who can see that you are online. You need to go and tap on show activity status. So under that, you have show activity status. Tap on this. Now, if you want to turn off the green dot on Instagram, simply turn this off. And now there won't be a green dot when you're online on Instagram, and it would really help you. So, hope this video has helped you. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.